Hello friends. Today our topic of discussion is on imaging findings in ischemic stroke. First, the patient came with chief complaint of weakness of right upper limb and lower limb and deviation of angle of mouth to left side. So, as it is an emergency, we took CT brain. In CT brain, we can see there are hypodensities. So, where should we look at in the CT brain? So, the weakness is on right side. So, the findings will be on the left side. So, we have to look in the left side of the CT. So, I am marking there. There are blackish things that are hypodensities. So, this means ischemic stroke. In hemorrhagic stroke, there will be hyperdensities. That means it will look whitish. So this is ischemic stroke. So as it is ischemic stroke, we ordered for MRI to see further things. So then in MRI, the important things are diffusion weighted imaging and ADC. The image showing here is diffusion weighted imaging. In DWA, that is diffusion weighted imaging, there is increased DWA signal in the ischemic brain tissue, which we can observe within few minutes after arterial occlusion. So the increased signals we are seeing in the image is, as I marked, is the lesion. So we have to compare this increased signals with ADC. ADC means apparent diffusion coefficient. We can see in this apparent diffusion coefficient ADC, in the same area where there is increased signal in diffusion weighted, we can see there is reduction or decreased signals, that blackish things which I marked. That means increased DWA signal and reduction in ADC, which confirms ischemia. So, and we can also see the difference between CT brain and MRI brain. In this slide, you are seeing both CT and MRI. In the CT brain, you are seeing hypodensities, which I am marking here. In the same way, you are seeing in the same place, you are seeing increased signal in diffusion weighted imaging. So, by this way, we can diagnose the case of ischemic stroke. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.